channel, Burst of Sunshine. It's Ashley. Today we're going to talk about Easter because Easter has just come out of nowhere. I decided I wanted to make some type of Easter treat. I got some good ideas for some treats, so I thought I would share them with you guys here. So today we are going to make a little Carrot Patch farm. Yes, we're gonna make a carrot patch, you know, because we gotta feed the Easter Bunny and Peter Cottontail. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like Easter. And if you want to give Peter Cottontail his carrots, he's hungry, y'all. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe so you can see every time I post a new video. And let's get into the video. Let's go make some brownies. Alright guys, let's go do this. We're going to start off by making some brownies. I'm just using my favorite brownie mix, and I'm just following the package instructions for how to mix it. And then I'm going to set that aside while I get my pan ready. I am going to line my pan with parchment paper just so the brownies can pull out easily. I also sprayed it down with cooking spray so it didn't stick to the parchment paper because I want these brownies to be like individual servings. So I did that so that way I don't have to worry about trying to scoop the brownies out and then falling apart while I'm pulling them out of the pan. This should pull them out in one easy, swift motion. I'm going to put my brownie mix in, and I'm going to use a spoon just to spread it out to all four corners so there's not any big wrinkles in my parchment paper, which would cause the brownies to come out a funky shape. Bake according to package instructions. Once your brownies are baked, you should be able to just pull on the parchment paper and then boom, they're out of the pan. So I'm going to trim off the crusty, crunchy edges because I'm definitely an inside brownie kind of gal. But I mean, if you want to keep those on there, that's totally optional. And the amount of brownies you will get out of this depends on how big you cut them. I prefer some big whopping brownies. So I only got about 6 out of this whole pan, but I did eat the scraps. So I mean, hey, it still worked out all right. But if you want smaller servings, you could always cut the brownies smaller. I just like large brownies. Once I have my brownies cut into little individual servings, I'm just going to take some buttercream. I actually just made this buttercream. It's just regular cake buttercream, and I'm going to color it green with some leaf green Wilton gel food coloring. I've said it before, I don't particularly love the liquid food coloring. I definitely prefer the gel. It just colors better for me. So I'm just going to color this into a bright, pretty green like grass. Hint, hint. And then I'm going to take a grass tip. I don't know if this has a number. I always just call it the grass tip. I'm going to take a grass tip and a piping bag. I'm going to place that into a cup, and this just makes it easier to fill my piping bag with my icing. And then I'm going to, of course, dump all of my green frosting into my bag. So anyways, once I get my green bag of icing filled, I'm just going to ice the top of these brownies. Like, it's just as simple. It did take me a couple of tries to get the length I wanted for the grassy look, and what I found is just a little bit on the bottom to let it place and then letting it go slowly as I'm pulling the piping bag up. But I don't pull it up more than like a few centimeters, so that way it's kind of short grass. If it's too long, it'll just flop over because it is soft icing. But you can make your grass however long you want it. I kind of went with some short grass. And then I iced all of my brownies with my grass or my green buttercream frosting. Now I'm going to set my brownies aside, and I'm going to take some orange candy melts, and I'm just going to melt these up in the microwave. There should be instructions on your package on how to melt them correctly. And once I get that melted, I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to get some wax paper or parchment paper, just something to put your strawberries on after you dip them in the candy. Now I'm going to take my strawberries, and I'm going to hold them by the little green stem thing. Is that a stem? The leaves? And I'm just going to use a spoon to completely coat my strawberries in orange melting chocolate. I am going to take my spoon and just drizzle some little streaks over it just to kind of make it look like the streaky look of carrots. And then I'm just going to take my little carrots after the chocolate has completely hardened, and I'm going to just place these on my brownies so we have a cute little carrot patch field for our rabbits to come and eat some carrots and leave some Easter eggs. This is just a fun little easy way to celebrate Easter, even if you're just at home alone with yourself or your family. It's just a fun little way to give this dessert a little Easter pizzazz. comes Peter Cottontail. So guys, give it a thumbs up if you thought these turned out cute. I mean, they're really simple. I mean, you need to try. Just go make it. It's really easy. You're gonna like it. You're gonna be impressed with yourself. All right, guys. I hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see every time I post a new video. I'm posting every week. I'm doing craft projects. I'm doing cakes. I'm doing desserts. I'm doing just whatever I want to do. Heck, I might even throw some personal stuff in. You never know. I probably won't, but you never know. So, guys, I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys next week for another Easter treat. It's gonna be delicious. So I will see you then. All right. Bye, guys. Bye.